Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and picking a clear source image. This matters because Gemini Photo reads metadata for smarter edits. Once signed in, make sure camera and file access are enabled. Next, open Google Photos and tap the Gemini Photo icon to enter the editor. Choose a single image or a small album to avoid processing delays. This first step gets the system context, exposure, faces, and background, so subsequent adjustments are accurate and fast. You now run the core adjustments that define the look. Start with Auto Enhance to get a balanced baseline. Once done, make manual slider changes to exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows for fine control. If the photo needs subject isolation, try Portrait Mode or the Magic Eraser for unwanted objects. Make sure to preview at full resolution and test different crops like 1:1 and 16:9. This middle phase is where intention meets precision, so iterate until the image reads correctly. You're in the final pass, export settings and consistency checks. Choose original resolution when image quality matters, or pick a compressed size for sharing. Save a version copy before destructive edits so you can revert. For multiple photos, use batch edits to apply the same adjustments quickly. Once exported, check colors on a second device. If an edit won't apply, try clearing the app cache, re-uploading the image, or toggling photo permissions. That troubleshooting tip fixes most sync or processing stalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.